Hi friends, this video shows how to enable and use 5G. Go to settings, tap on the settings app icon, go down, go to general management, go down, go to reset, tap here, go down, tap on reset mobile network settings, tap here, then tap on reset settings, enter Srilock password, then tap on this reset button. This reset operation is safe. It will not delete any data from your phone. It will not delete your photos, videos, contacts, anything. It just reset only the mobile network settings, including 5G settings. That's all. So here I am going to reset 5G settings and remove all wrong 5G settings. Let me tap on this reset button. See the message network settings reset. Then we can close this. Then again go to settings. Tap on the settings app icon. Go to connections. Go to mobile networks. Tap on network mode. Here select this first option 5G preferred. Then go to network operators. Enable this option, select automatically. Go back. If you are outside home network, enable data roaming. If you want to use voice over 5G or VoNR, enable this option. If you want to use 2G networks in area where other networks are not available, enable this option, allow 2G service. Then go back. Go to data usage, tap here. Enable this option, mobile data. Done. Here on top you can see 5G signal. That means 5G has been enabled in this mobile phone. This way we can enable and use 5G. Please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.